Hello friends.
Hello friends, I am Sarvi Luke. Today I am here to present the speech on my India. India is my country. India is very beautiful country. India also is also known as Bharat. India is very India.
The capital.
The capital of India is New Delhi. There are 28
States
states
in India.
in India.
उसके बाद क्या बोलना है?
Chief,
The president.
the President of India is Draupadi Murmu. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
National. The national.
The national animal of
India.
India is tiger.
Very good.
National flower. The national flower of
India.
Is lotus.
Very good. The national.
Animal.
हो गया.
The national क्या बोलते हैं?
Bird.
The national bird of the क्या बोलते हैं?
Of India. वो तो सेम ही है बेटा.
Of India is peacock.
Very good. फिर से the national.
The national fruit of India is mango. The national game is
The national game of India. The national game of India is.
The national game of India is hockey.
फिर लास्ट वाला क्या बताई थी? I love.
I love my country very much.
और एक I am proud of. I am proud of to be an Indian.
I am proud of to be an Indian.